Modern homeowners are constantly looking for ways to improve comfort, efficiency, and overall value, and one of the most effective upgrades is installing replacement windows. While windows may seem like a simple feature, they play a major role in how your home performs every day. Replacing outdated or inefficient windows can deliver noticeable benefits that enhance both your living experience and your property's long-term value. One of the most significant advantages of replacement windows is improved energy efficiency. Older windows often allow air to leak in and out, making it harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. This can lead to higher heating and cooling costs throughout the year. Modern replacement windows are designed with advanced features like multi-pane glass, insulating gas fills, and low-E coatings that reduce heat transfer. These improvements help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, reducing energy consumption and lowering utility bills. Another important benefit is enhanced indoor comfort. Drafty windows can create uneven temperatures, leaving certain areas of your home too hot or too cold. Replacement windows provide a tighter seal, eliminating drafts and helping maintain a stable indoor environment. This makes your home more comfortable no matter the season, allowing you to enjoy every room without temperature fluctuations. Replacement windows also contribute to better natural lighting. Many modern designs feature larger glass areas and slimmer frames, allowing more sunlight to enter your home. This not only brightens your living spaces but also creates a more open and inviting atmosphere. Increased natural light can improve mood, reduce the need for artificial lighting, and make your home feel more spacious. Noise reduction is another benefit that homeowners often notice right away. Replacement windows with insulated glass and improved sealing help block outside noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Whether you live near a busy street or in a lively neighborhood, this added sound insulation can make a significant difference in your daily comfort. Durability and low maintenance are also key advantages. Modern replacement windows are typically made from materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite, which are designed to withstand weather conditions without warping, cracking, or fading. Unlike older wood frames that require frequent painting or repairs, these materials are easy to maintain and built for long-term performance. This saves you time and effort while ensuring your windows continue to look great. Another important benefit is improved home security. Replacement windows often come with advanced locking systems and stronger frames, making them more resistant to forced entry. This added level of protection provides peace of mind for homeowners and contributes to a safer living environment. Replacement windows can also help protect your home's interior from UV damage. Over time, sunlight can cause furniture, flooring, and decor to fade. Many modern windows include UV blocking features that reduce this effect while still allowing natural light to enter. This helps preserve the appearance of your interior and extends the life of your belongings. From an aesthetic standpoint, replacement windows can dramatically improve your home's appearance and curb appeal. Outdated or damaged windows can make your home look worn and less inviting. New windows provide a clean, updated look that enhances both the interior and exterior design. With a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes available, you can customize your windows to match your home's overall aesthetic. Another major advantage is the potential to increase property value. Energy-efficient upgrades are highly attractive to buyers, and replacement windows are often seen as a valuable improvement. Homes with modern windows tend to stand out in the market, making them more appealing and potentially leading to a higher resale value. Finally, replacement windows offer long-term cost savings. While there is an upfront investment, the combination of lower energy bills, reduced maintenance costs, and increased durability makes them a smart financial decision over time. In the end, replacement windows are more than just an upgrade. They're an investment in your home's performance, comfort, and value. By improving energy efficiency, enhancing appearance, and creating a more comfortable living space, they deliver benefits that you'll notice every day.